In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on device unlock. Hit face and fingerprint unlock here. Tap on face and enter your current login method after hitting agree. Then tap on continue, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!